I hope you have seen all the revising material in the video. Now let's solve the equations. The first question is 3n minus 2 equals to 46. Try to solve this. Now let's solve this together. The first step is to eliminate or remove the 2 from here. So for this we will add 2 in the RHS and LHS both. Kids, remember that this is the first method of solving equations. This will give us 3n equals to 48. Now we have to divide 3 from both of them. So we will obtain 9 equals to 16. This is the answer of first one. Now as we know the answer, let's check the answer by using transpose method. For the transpose method, the first step is 3n. Now in the transpose method, the minus 2 will come here and become plus 2. Because in the transpose method, the plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, the multiplication becomes division, and the division becomes multiplication. Because of this, the minus 2 will come here and become a plus 2. This will give us 3n equals to 48. If you remember the first method, this statement had came there also, but after solving 2 lines. The transpose method is very easy and quicker. Now we will do. Now the 3 will also come here, but this is in the multiplication form. So when it will come in this side, in the RHS, it will become division. That means that n equals to 48 divided by 3, which is equals to 16. So n equals to 16. Now let's do the second sum. 3p minus 10 equals to 5. For this, first we will remove this minus 10. 3p minus 10 plus 10 equals to 5 plus 10, which will give us 3p equals to 15. Now we will divide 3 from both of them. The answer will be p equals to 5. Now we will try this in transpose method. For the transpose method, the minus 10 will come here and become a plus 10, as we know. Now it will give us 3p equals to 15. Now this 3 is in the form of multiplication. It will come here in form of division, which will give us 5. That means 3p is equals to 5. 3p is equals to 15 and p equals to 5. The third question is 5t plus 28 equals to 10. Try this sum by doing yourself. You can pause the video. I have done the first step of solving equations. Now the second step is to solve the first one. 5t equals to 10 minus 28, which is equals to 5t minus 5t is equal to minus. The answer will come in the minus because 10 is smaller than 28. 28 minus 10, it's 18. So the answer will be minus 18. That means 5t is equals to minus 18. Now t is equals to minus 18 divided by 5. Now we will try with transpose method. You can again pause the video and try with transpose method. I hope you have done. I have also done this question using transpose method. As you can see on the screen, 5t is equals to 10 minus 28. Then it will become minus 18. Now t equals to minus 8 plus minus 8 divided by 5, which we have obtained in the previous method also. Now only 2 questions are left. So I will request you to try the questions by yourself. The fourth question is 6z plus 10 equals to minus 2. This is the solution for the fourth question from method 1. Now the method 2, the transpose method. The solution using transpose method. Now the fifth question. This is the solution of fifth question, the last but not the least. These were all the 5 questions which we have to discuss in this video. My next video will come soon. Till then, keep practicing, stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.